Maximize your multitasking with the Tab Resize Chrome extension. Do you ever get overwhelmed trying to multitask with multiple browser tabs open? Constantly resizing and moving tabs around eats up time and mental energy. Well, I've got the perfect solution, the Tab Resize Chrome extension. Let me show you how it transforms multitasking. Tab Resize is a free extension that lets you arrange your open Chrome tabs in different layouts with just one click. Once installed, the Tab Resize icon appears in your Chrome toolbar. Click it to reveal the layout options. You can split your screen between 2 tabs or 4 tabs or create custom configurations. Let me demonstrate with these 4 open tabs. If I want an even 4-way split, I just click the 2x2 layout button while on the first tab. Boom! All tabs automatically resized into quadrants. No dragging is necessary. You can also do a vertical or horizontal split for 2 tabs, and create custom rows and columns if you have more tabs open. The extension accounts for different monitor sizes too, so everything scales perfectly whether you're on a laptop screen or a large external display. This is a game changer for any multitasking scenario: research, trading, writing, really anything. Stop wasting time manually arranging tabs and simplify your workflow with Tab Resize. Give your productivity a jolt by streamlining tab management with the Tab Resize Chrome extension. Never struggle with messy browser tab layouts again. Let me know if you have any other Chrome productivity hacks. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips.